Hi everybody and welcome back. It's me again, training for Mathon van Eijsden and Ironman Maastricht in the beginning of August. And I'm doing those races for my foundation A.L.S. to help people with the muscle disease A.L.S. I did this week some beach running, some intervals, some uphill running, and the last bike ride with my friend Patrick. He's going back to Holland. It is not the best week for training in Spain because it was cold, it was windy, there was some rain, and the week that's coming now, it's also not the best weather. Hopefully then the summer starts with a nice warm weather and I can train again in the sun and start my heat training for Mathon van Eijsden. If you have any questions, leave a comment, send me an email, go to the website www.djstopals.com. It's not so often that I can train in the rain, so when it's raining I actually enjoy it because normally it's not raining so much here in Spain, so I don't care if I have to train in the rain. I'm running uphill here, you'll hear it on my breathing. The tempo is not so high, but that doesn't matter, we go uphill. And then the last bike ride with my friend Patrick before he goes off to Holland. We did 60k on the bike and almost 1000 height meters. And we started with a real serious mountain. After some small hills, we had a long descent and then we stopped for a coffee. Look at the nice view. You can see the sea. Making some serious speed with Patrick, around 45k average here. The wind starts to pick up. Look at the nice view of the mountains. This was the training for this week. Hope you like it. Hope to see you next time. Enjoy.